The wellness industry can be defined in three different areas. One is the government policies, the other one is public perception, and the third one is the wellness industry as a whole. So, the biggest change that has happened is the demand for the natural products has gone up substantially because of COVID 19, as there is no known solution for COVID 19 as of today. COVID 19 has a major impact on the wellness industry, especially on policymakers as well as public at large, and eventually on the industry because of the pressure of pandemic. There has been a big growth in demand for Ayurvedic products, and the Ayurvedic companies have to gear up their production by using modern technology and also adopting newer techniques to create cutting edge products, as well as start doing validation of the products in a modern way and modern clinical setups. See, if you look at the technology part and the clinical trials, one of the major changes that are happening is because of the Ministry of Ayush support by introducing task force for conducting clinical trials and trying to bring together the industry for doing more and more clinical research. Unfortunately, uh, not many big players are really putting a lot of money into these kind of trials because the returns are not really known, and we do not know how many years the product could be marketed for this particular pandemic. With this pandemic, now the technology has already there for making better quality products. The most important part is investment in clinical trials proving the efficacy of Ayurvedic herbs or substances. The biggest reason is people at large have realized that preventive health care is going to be very important to ensure their financial stability. And that is one of the biggest driving factors in improving the markets for Ayurveda. As far as the quality of the product is concerned, the regulators are becoming more and more stringent, and they are doing checks and bounds just like any other medicine. They are testing every product, and we are also ensuring as an industry to improve our quality assurance and quality control systems to deliver a quality product, as more and more consumers are likely to demand better quality and remain away from the spurious products. In 1993, we started this group with a vision to provide alternatives to chemicals and chemical fertilizers rampantly used in agriculture, as the residues in the food chain was creating havoc with the health of general public. And we realized that unless we create an atmosphere of trust and give a better quality product using natural resources, the farmers cannot think of doing organic farming because their livelihood was dependent on their annual income. I'm really happy to say that we have grown this idea in leaps and bounds by providing organic alternatives to the farmers, and we have provided more than 30 products in the range of organic farming inputs for the farmers to begin with. We also realized that the human health was seriously affected because of the uh, extended and unnecessary use of chemicals in the farms. So was the case with growing the Ayurvedic herbs as well. So we realized that if we want to provide solution, a healthcare solution, it has to be coming from an organic source, and that is why we started first doing the organic herbs and then started exporting the extracts to the Western countries since last 20 years. We were the first company in India to launch our product line in the United States, which is considered as one of the most quality conscious market for Ayurvedic supplements, and then decided to launch the same product line in India to provide the quality conscious consumers in India to get something which they were vouching for. When we started providing the quality products to the Western market, we realized that one of the most important unmet needs was products working in neurological segment, products working on brain. This was the major category on which we did research and filed our first patent on attention deficit disorder or attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. We also researched a product for enhancing the memory using Ayurvedic herbs. And that is our flagship area right now, which we are selling in India as well, called NeuroSmart, which is in a syrup form as well as in capsule form for children who are suffering from attention deficit hyperactivity disorder or ADD or ADHD. The other product we are doing is called NeuroAid, which is for those who are suffering from either dementia or age-related cognitive decline. We believe that these two areas have an unmet need for such products which can deliver the required effect, and we are focusing on these products even today. We are also having other categories of products which are used in mainly geriatric as well as in cancer treatment. We are also making products for improving immunity as well as improving the respiratory syndromes. We have products coming out for skin very soon, and overall, we are focusing our attention on chronic diseases where the modern medicine has very, very limited options. And that is where we believe that the modern day consumers are looking for cutting edge natural and Ayurvedic products. Our company would like to continue its research efforts in creating such products for cancer care which are economical, affordable, and yet very effective. One of such products is our patented neem leaf extract, which we have studied for last 7 years in collaboration with an American university, and we are preparing ourselves to create a file for IND or investigational new drug in the United States. But at the same time, we have kept the rights for marketing the product in India at a much lower price by not paying any royalties to the foreign company or foreign university which is collaborating with us for research. We would like to do similar research in Alzheimer's as well as uh, other neurological diseases such as Parkinson, where there are very limited options available. We also have launched a new company based in the United States, which will create these kind of intellectual properties and offer the products based on Ayurvedic herbs to the international market as well for doing more research as well as offering the patented products to the pharmaceutical companies to fill their pharmaceutical pipelines.